Okay, next project here is an exhaust fan for the welding. This thing is going to save me ingesting a whole lot of fumes, particularly from welding galvanized metal, and I hope to be able to run this hose out to the door. So what I'm going to do is try and knock up a bracket so that it empties right up the top of there, and then I can swing it across to the welding bench over there. Well, this is the bracket that I've just welded up very crudely, and that will bolt up to the wall at the doorway and carry the weight of the fan. So we'll get that painted a little bit, stop the rust, and give it a try. There it is, hanging up on the top of the door. That should give me enough clearance to get the gases out of here. I'm going to run the flexible hose up to the roof and then back down here to the welding bench. That's the next bit. This is the reason that I've hooked up this exhaust fan, to get these fumes away from me. As you can see, it's going up the tube there instead of up around my mask and my face, which is making it a lot better, a lot healthier. And I was getting a bit crook from the fumes there for a while. I was getting a bad cough, and I'm pretty sure that's what it was. So all in all, a little bit of fine tuning on this adjustable mount now, and I should just about have it. All I have to come to grips with is this giant orange caterpillar in my workshop, but I'll find a place to swing it over to the other side and clamp it onto the side of the shed when it's not being needed. Well, today's little effort is going to be getting stuck into some of the summer grass, and as soon as the springtime, summertime gets here, that's when we start the mowing season. And Callum here is making a start on the long grass. We're going to move down here near the pump house here, and then across the dam and into the far paddock. We'll be doing it in tandem. I've got the tractor here, the TYM, with the Flail mower on the back, and then we'll try and get twice as much done as we would normally with one. Callum's just backing into the corner there, and then just got to run along the fence line. That should keep him busy for a minute or two. This area is mighty tough stuff, especially when it's fully grown, and in this case it's on the dam spillway, so it's very wet ground. That makes it even tougher, but I've been mightily impressed with the performance of the Flail mower. Even though this is the smallest one, it's done a mighty job, so well worth the expense. you made it this far in the video. If you've enjoyed it or got anything out of it, then by all means you're welcome to come back anytime and look at any of the other videos I've made, and click the like button, subscribe, and come on back.